Okay, guys, so we're at the next bunch of air conditioners. Here's some carriers. Oh, we can... Look at that. There's little baby ones everywhere, so it's that one right there. That one's running. There's some more over here. Looks like we have a little ductless unit too. None of these are running. Two carrier ductless units. And then some baby carriers. And then there's some more over here, which we can actually get to. It's not, I think that's been running. Get a shot of one of the logos here. What's this one from? I don't know what that one's from. But these look newer. One of these could turn on. Yeah, that one's been running. But yeah, we'll see you at the next bunch. Okay, guys, so here's the other bunch. Here. There's a, whoa. That's a train Odyssey. A big ream. It's a train. Oh, here's a ream. Train. And a big train Odyssey. There's some on the roof up there. I don't know if you can tell. Oh. Also, there's a Sanyo ductless unit. And then you can see some on the roof. They're way up there. They're all trains. But yeah, over and out, guys. This is yeah, over and out, guys.